Man, I get messaged so much. And as time has gone on, like the messaging has really the direct private messages and stuff, and the private one-on-ones from people who are inspired or who are desperate or who are like the one I got this morning on death's door. It's heavy, bro. Anyway, I get these messages of desperation. Let me put on my seatbelt. You know, I get these messages of desperation all the time, and people are looking for like the answer, or I don't know what they're looking for exactly. But the secret is, it's not sexy. It's the shit that you know you're not doing. Do that. That's the issue. You know? I don't know how else to put it, man. It's a decision by decision thing. It's about breaking down your life into a zillion billion decisions that can be either a win or a loss. And yeah, sometimes you not only take an L, but have a losing season, you know? I have had losing seasons throughout this journey. I have slipped up and down and on and off of what I, in that moment, deem to be what I need to be doing, quote unquote, need to be doing. Whether it was paleo or low carb or eating clean or vegan or whole food, plant-based, no oil, whatever the adopted protocol was at the time, it was never about adhering to that 1000%. It's about holding that as a North Star and doing your best in the muck and mire of life to rack up as many W's as possible. And let your results dictate the sufficiency of your efforts. Be real about it. Just because you're in love with the barbecue pit and bacon doesn't mean it's gonna be part of your healthy protocol, your healthy heart disease avoiding, diabetes reversing, obesity eliminating protocol. Be objective, man, and constantly squirm. Constantly squirm. Stop looking for a set it and forget it answer from someone. They don't exist. What did you have for breakfast? What is your plan for lunch? How many 1,000-calorie workouts have you done in the last month? Grind, baby. Get up, and the more you grind, whether it's in the right direction or the wrong direction, but the more you grind and the more you're willing to put up with discomfort for the sake of next step clarification, the prouder you become of yourself, the more confident you become that you're never going backwards. Yeah, you may slip, you may go on and off of perfect in your mind, but you're never going backwards. It's about crawling, man. It's about crawling. It's about ratcheting yourself forward. It's not about never taking another hit, you know? It's not about figuring out all the right answers. So from now on, I'm doing right answered things. That's how it's gonna go. Dang it. No, nope. Use that energy in your next fucking food decision. Use that energy in your next movement opportunity. Use that energy in your next opportunity to shift your mindset around a positive idea instead of a negative idea about whether you can or whether you fucking can't. Break it down, man. Break it down. You got this. You got this. No one else. You. People often hit me. Hey, I need your help. No, you don't. You don't need my help. You honestly don't. You need your help. Because there are things you know you're not doing. And who cares if I help you identify some things that you ought to do or not do? You're not even doing the shit you know you ought to do or not do right now. You know? Own that part. The sooner you come to that clarification, that realization that it's you at the helm, that it's you with the reins in your hands and the spurs on your boots. Until that happens, man, you're going to be asking for it and wishing for it. And I'm talking to myself, not just to y'all, not just to you. This is me talking out loud to myself. I don't want to present as some sort of fucking guru or whatever. I'm not. I'm just a dude struggling like everybody else, but I'm struggling forward at every opportunity possible.